Here we are going to show you how to remove the radio, navigation, and the monitor, touch screen from a GMC Yukon 2015, which is similar to the other GM vehicle and years. The tools that you need is just the size 7 socket, and then the Torx screwdriver size T15, and then just plus this blue dashboard removal tool. The first step, you need to take the side cover off on the driver's side. Here this is the side cover. There are two size T15 Torx screw, one on each side. Once you get those out, then you can drop the cover for underneath the dashboard. You can just drop it down. And here we go. Now that we removed the cover under the dashboard, we can pop up the center console. It's very tight. We have to really pull it hard and pull it upward to get it out. I will show you the clips in a second so you know where to apply the pressure to remove the unit. See, these are the two here, and then as you can see, so these are the clips on the back, and to get it out you really have to force it in order to pop it up, and then you can put it on the side. And now you pop out the cover for the dashboard. There you go. I will show you the clip also. Here, these are the clip which holding this cover, so when you know where to apply the pressure. And then here you pop up this top cover for the monitor. This has the 3 clips, and then there is a one for the ignition switch cover. There is a one size 7. You take the screw out, and here you can pop out the ignition switch cover. Now in this step, we are gonna remove the AC control unit, which comes as a whole piece with the bezel around the monitor. There are 2 screws, one on the driver's side, one on the passenger side. You can take those screws out, and then you have to pop out the AC control panel. It's all one piece with the bezel around the monitor. You have to be careful, it's very tight. I will show you the clips in the back. Here, these are the clips, and the one on the top. So this one, as you can see, it's already broken. And now we are going to remove the mounting screws for the AC vent. 2 on each side, one on the driver's side, and then 2 on the passenger side. Once you get those screws out, then you can pop the vent out, and then you can put it away. And the same thing on the driver's side. Here you go. And now you will be able to see the mounting screws for the monitor. The 2 screws on this side, and then 2 screws on the passenger side. Once you get those screws out, then you can remove the whole monitor with the controls for the radio. You can put it on the side. And these are the mounting screws for the DVD player. It's actually Blu-ray DVD player. Yeah, then you can, once you get those out, then you can remove the complete player out. And that's about it. And if you need any repair for the DVD player or the touch screen or the radio or the navigation unit, you can send it to High Tech Electronic Services in Van Nuys, California, 818-785-8085.